Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to chat with ChatGPT on WhatsApp. So if you want to chat with ChatGPT or you want to use the ChatGPT AI right inside your WhatsApp without you have to go to the ChatGPT app, here is how you can get it done. So the first thing you have to do is open up your WhatsApp. Once you open your WhatsApp, then tap on the plus icon right here, plus icon. Then you add a new contact. Then the country restriction, if you are from, just search the phone bat or the phone country button. Just search for United States, which is +1. Then you can see it has changed the phone carrier. Then you tap on the phone number, then you input 800 242 8472. You can see, all right, you made a mistake, 8478. Can you check the number again? 800 242 8478. You can see WhatsApp verify this number to be active on WhatsApp. Then you tap on the name, then you save with ChatGPT, ChatGPT. Then you save. Once you do that, then you tap on the message icon, then you will see the ChatGPT logo and the icon right at the profile name and the name. Then you tap on the chat button. Once you tap on the chat button, you'll see a meta verified beside right in front of the ChatGPT app. Then you can now message ChatGPT on WhatsApp, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.